It's your man V, and we are back. VALED at Fade and Full. We full with the fades because we the fade is full of the full.
Fade in full.
You know how we do. Yo, got these new clothes shavers. It's going down, yo. The Resurge Shaver, man, is a gift, birthday gift from the beloved Fade and Full squad. Thank you so much for these. I want to do an official unboxing for them, and I can't wait to use it on my own bald head. Now, if you're a subscriber to the channel, you've been paying attention, you see I've been getting baldies from around the world. It feels good to be back. Off the rip, it's got a pivot head, wet and dry shave. That's crazy. It can do wet, that's wild, man. They coming with the Manscaped technology. Long hair trimmer. Wow, that's wild, man. This is an amazing gift, man. Box feels good, man. I know people like, you know, do unboxing reviews, but y'all never review the box. So the pivot head adjusts to hug the contour of the face or head. It's smooth gliding, easy cleaning for the wet and dry shave. Okay, so we don't gotta take it down to the stubble, so man, I might as well just use this on my head right out the box then. Might as well just go ahead and do that. Alright, this is a pretty, how do we open this? I guess this slides out. How do we do this? There we go. Create your way. Nice message in the inside. And this, y'all getting back in my good graces with this. Wow, and this thing is sleek. Do you see how small it is? This thing is really sleek. All right. Got the little rubber area, a power button here. Fully charged before powering up. Hold power button for 5 seconds to disengage travel lock. Okay. So that means we can take these on the road. It looks like it charges with the same cord as my Galaxy phone and my earbuds. Let's take the sticker off. Oh, no sticker, that's just, okay, yeah, that's sticker, all right. Get this off, boom. Just stick that in there. See what else we got in here before we try these out on my head. Oh man, gave us some cool stickers. I see Andis has a new logo. I wasn't mad at the old one. Okay, y'all representing the new age here with this. Cool, maybe I'll throw one of these on my laptop. Which one should I throw on my laptop? Y'all let me know in the comments section. Okay, then we got the window decal, okay. Or the mirror, throw that on the mirror. Oh, we got another one, the white decal for the mirror. Hey creator, let's just say you made a great call. This is one hell of a good product. Since this is such a gem, make sure you register. This will help us continue improving our products for you, so together we can create a brighter future. Okay, Andis. Okay, and you got the website for me to register. Okay, another flyer. Okay, let's read this. To the generation of creators, the ones who believe in the power of originality, the ones who stare uncertainty in the face and move past the doubts, the fears, to find rejuvenation, hope. To us, this is everything. The relentless pursuit of discovery, unleashing ideas, art. It's in our blood. It runs through us. It never stops. It's exploring, making it again, and then turning it upside down to create something stronger, something bigger, something different. The future is in our hands. We pave the way for those after us to be unique, inspiring, real, courageous, to make a difference by standing out, united by a love of individuality and expression. We are creators, and together we shape the world. Create your way. I wonder who wrote this, man. These powerful words right here. All right, they are on. Sound good. Feel light. Let's see how they do on this body, man. Now it says that Andis, you said they do long and short hair. Let's see. Oh wow, that's not bad right there. See, a lot of people use these. Okay, so one touch gets them on. A lot of people use these and do this with them, you know, with the close shaver. I like, you know, one long stroke. You know, let the blades work. Let it cut the hair. Let it get down to the skin. Like, you don't cut your grass like this. Like, you know, you go one line at a time. So that's how I like to do it. I hit it close to, you know, to the skin and it got there, man. So what I do this time, stretch the skin a little bit and get one good one on there. Are you gonna turn on or what? I'm holding the button. There we go. All right, so stretch the skin. Can you guys really see that? Let me get the light. Can you see? Alright, so you see this line right here, this little area that did the bar area. I think you got something here, Andis. You back in my good graces, man. Because, you know, some of these other brands have been doing some innovative things. Now, it looks like we got, you know, I'm glad I took a look at these. It looks like we have blades in the middle, which did not exist in the old Andis Cold Shaver. So this thing is definitely revolutionized. It's not just lighter. The fact that it does wet hair and dry hair, long hair, short hair is impressive, man. I don't know if there is another cold shaver on the market right now that does that. So we got the best of the best from Andis, who's been around, tried and true for decades. You know, a lot of the newcomers are coming along, putting out fire new clippers, man. And it's getting competitive. This is innovative. And I'm very thankful to have received this for my birthday. So that's it. Unboxing the Resurge Shaver by Andis. This is V from Fade and Full. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and let me know. Do you like these? You hate them? Could they be better? Drop a comment, let us know, alright? Catch you on the next one. I'll see you when you get there.